gotten a good impression about, like, of what this place is about.
Craziness.
A lot of craziness. Also,
good morning and good evening. Welcome back to another video with my boy Luan, the German man.
it's only the deadly duo today.
Deadly duo, American and German, but we're in Comuna 13 here in
Medellín, Colombia.
Medellin, Colombia, and we got a couple hours to just explore. We're not gonna get a guide, we're just gonna walk around.
Raw. Let's go.
But I think we both decided the first thing we need to do is get some grub.
Yeah.
Still haven't gotten no grub, but just wanted to show. Let's go. Pretty loud here.
Yep.
But
I don't know what it is about South America, but the people here love loud music with their restaurants.
yeah,
They love to get like absolutely blasted with music while eating.
it's honestly deafening when you go into a restaurant and I can't even talk to them at all.
Nope.
Not at all. But look it, they got the murals. It's kind of popping, honestly.
Got the rubber ducky store.
Rubber ducky store. Actually, totally random. Totally random.
Definitely very colorful here.
Yeah. Indeed.
Let's keep going. Oh.
Yeah. But didn't really do that much research on this place, but from what I know, it's supposed to be kind of like a cultural little center. Maybe it's just cultural for the tourists, but a lot of people are always coming here to a tourist hotspot. Look at this man in his yellow shirt.
Yeah, I do. Like a rubber ducky.
Yeah, he's like a rubber ducky. All the murals and whatnot. I don't know. Kind of interesting though, because our taxi driver literally told me that there is not fiestas here.
It's not? We're gonna find them.
We're gonna find
If
them.
there are any, we're gonna find them.
All right.
Back in someone's living room.
Back in someone's living room, we found
All over again.
otra vez. But I got me whatever this is. It's cola.
Is there alcohol?
I don't know.
Rip it right now.
River right now on cam. Ooh, it's cold as I have no clue what that is.
Yeah, right?
Try it. It's not beer.
Cola Bola, la mezcla original, bebida embriagante.
I'm pretty sure there's no alcohol in there. It's like a cream soda. But it's gas. There might be alcohol in there. I don't know.
There might be.
It would be like a 4% drink if there is though.
We should get 50 of them and then check back later. And then you can judge whether there was alcohol in there.
See you in a bit. Just received our food. This bro's already finished his soup,
Yep.
but
It's that good.
we were just saying he gives it an 8.5 out of 10.
Yep. Super fire.
Yep, for being in someone's living room, it's actually even better. And we both got grilled chicken plate. Nice. Check this out.
Escalators.
Escalators, so out of place. Because, look at this.
Still so very welcome.
Yeah,
Very welcome.
murals everywhere. Let's go. Yeah, the escalator's real out of place, but oh my god, there's a third one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo.
This is a sick place.
Literally, you name it, they got it here.
Look at the AI. Look at the AI art.
AI art. Messi, let's go. Fucking Michael Jackson and DMX or Tupac? Am I tripping? Kind of a little mental over here.
It's crazy.
Yeah, this is a big switch up from Poblado. Yeah, where we're staying is Poblado. It's like definitely
It's a bit touristy.
it's a bit touristy, definitely richer area. This is touristy but fun.
A little more over.
Indeed. We've almost reached the top.
at those structures down there, like the jellyfish or whatever that's supposed to be.
Right down there. I don't think this will be able to see that. Oh yeah. That's
Medellin.
Indeed. That do be Medellin. And this is an interesting part of Medellin, for sure.
Very colorful.
Very, very colorful, very loud. A lot's going on. I mean, look. Keep walking. Keep on walking. I'll show you the other side. Ooh, we're getting close up of my face. They're selling hella stuff. The one got lost. Look at this. Bad. No. Everyone's trying to. It looks like a rat.
Rat dog.
Rat dog. Oh yeah. Everyone's trying to sell you something here.
I just got mega yapped at in Spanish at like 1,500 words a second, and I understood.
Absolute light speed, and she really thought this gringo was gonna understand. Hell no.
So fast.
Yeah, they speak so fast, and no way we're understanding, man. I could speak to the Peruvians because they speak slow and easy, but man, Medellin's a different type of accent, a different type of speed. Oh yeah. See, that's, yo, Luan, this is what we're talking about with the loud music, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. If you're gonna sit down there, you're going deaf.
Yeah, you can't hear anything in there. I have to yell to talk to him, and we're not even inside.
Maybe Colombians just can't hear anymore.
Yeah, they can't hear, so they have to just blaring music the whole time. I love it. Here.
Oh no.
I don't know. So we walked down, or actually escalated down.
Yeah.
We decided that Colombians don't really know how to use escalators. Every time.
Stop at the bottom.
At the bottom, they stop and then look around, and then we keep getting pushed out in this mega traffic jam.
Yep.
Kind of aggravating. But I think this is like the famous part of the murals.
I'm sure there are a few more, but
There definitely is, but I think my ears need a break.
also I feel like we've gotten a good impression about of what this place is about.
Craziness.
A lot of craziness. Also, it's very touristy. You're getting talked at a lot. Like, people are very aggressive with the marketing, which I respect, but
A bit much.
it's a bit much, yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna continue and
That's
walk
the
somewhere.
bar place.
Yep. We gotta get to a bar now to watch some football thing. Look at this. Luan and his sweets.
Can't stop me.
Him and his crepe or his waffle cone, can't stop him.
In any type, any shape, any form,
Post food poisoning, mega waffle cone
going in.
involved. Posted still. I think it gets crazier and crazier every minute here. Keep this. Bro, what? Bro's actually just can't even make that shit up, yo.
Chilling.
Chilling.